Hi dear aspirants, welcome to our online classes. This is yours Allam Sai Krishna. In this session, we have to discuss the chapter about chemical reactions. Maybe we can expect the one or two questions from this chapter in every central examination, otherwise state examinations like APPSC and Tspsc examinations. Yes, in the chemical reactions, first of all, we have to know about the physical changes and chemical changes. And we have to know the main differences in between of the physical changes and chemical changes. Yes, here what is meant by the physical changes, what is meant by the chemical changes. Here towards of the physical changes, any substances physical properties will be changed. Only the physical properties of the substances will be changed. The physical properties are like state, size, color and odor will be changed. Any substances, if it is undergo the physical changes, maybe its state will be changed, size will be changed, color will be changed and odor will be changed. That's mean only the physical properties of the substances will be changed here. State mean, for example, here the solid substance is nothing but ice is there. It should be turned into the water, into the liquid state, and this liquid substances turns into the gaseous state only. Maybe gas again comes into the liquid, again liquid comes into the solid form only. That means state of the substances will be changed. When it is changing its state, its size also may be changed. Size also will be changed. Maybe sometimes some physical changes are happening time. Maybe color will be the change. What will be changed? Color will be the change. That is an important concept. And sometimes in the physical changes are happen, its odor will be changed. Odor means smell will be the change. Like that we have to try to keep in the mind. As towards of the chemical changes, physical properties of the substances, physical properties of the substances and chemical properties of the substances. Yes, physical properties and chemical properties both also will change. Both also will change. That we have to keep in the mind. What I told is state, size, color and odor. These are the physical properties only change towards of the physical changes. Physical properties including chemical properties of the substances will be changed towards of the chemical changes. Okay, and here properties of the substance, substance remain same. Yes, when the substance turns into solid to liquid, the solid substances properties and liquid substances properties both also will same. That's mean properties of the substances remain same. Here properties of the substances will change. Properties of the substances will be changed. Suppose here you have to see, just example you have to take carbon, oxygen. As these two are undergoing chemical reaction and form carbon dioxide. Each properties are varies from each other. These reactants are combined and form the product. The product properties and reactant properties both also varies from each other. The reaction is happened here, properties are completely changing. But towards of the physical changes, ice turns into water, water turns into water vapor. These three properties will be remain same. But here what happened? Properties are changed. That's why this we have to consider as a chemical change. This we have to consider as a physical change. Here third one, composition of substance will not be changed. Composition of the substance will not be changed. But towards of the chemical change, composition will be changed. Composition will be changed. Let us see. Here ice turns into water. Ice turns into water. And water turns into water vapor. Yes, here the composition is H2O. Here composition is H2O. Here also composition is H2O. 3 also same. Solid to liquid, liquid to gas, but the composition is H2O, H2O, H2O. Composition, there is no chance to change towards of the physical changes. But here one reaction is happened, carbon plus oxygen, and it form carbon dioxide. Composition is completely changed. Like that you have to see the one chemical reaction by the crackers. When it is burned the crackers, it should be formed another products. That's mean here a compulsory composition is changing. Yes, like this composition is changing, that kind of the reactions we have to known as a chemical changes. Which changes? Chemical changes. It is a temporary change. Temporary change. It is permanent change. Permanent change. Physical changes are temporary change, chemical changes are permanent change. As you have to see here, ice turns into water. Again water easily turns into the ice. Water turns into the water vapor. Again water vapor turns into the water. It is in so easy. That's why it is only the temporary change. Suppose you are roaming it outside as a continuously for 10 days. As due to the sunlight your face color will be the change. It is only the temporary change. You have to sit in your house for the few days without going it outside. Again your face color will be come back. That's mean it is which kind of the change? Temporary change only. Yes, but when there is happened the chemical reaction in crackheads, it is only the permanent change. We will not make again into the crackers after formation of the products. It is the which change, permanent change only. You have to boil the egg. You have to boil the egg. The boiled egg is in a permanent change. Milk turns into the curd, it is only the permanent change only. Permanent change only. Can we again convert the curd into the milk? No way. It is only the permanent change. That's why these chemical changes are permanent changes. Physical changes are temporary changes only. Is here we have to keep in the mind one more most important point. Heat energy and light energy. Heat energy and light energy. Heat energy and light energy. Light energy may or may not absorbed or given out. Absorbed or given out. Towards of the physical changes, light energy, otherwise heat energy, may be absorbed by the substances, may be released by the substances, may be, may not be, may be absorbed, otherwise given out. Towards of the physical changes. Towards of the chemical changes, compulsory. Heat energy and light energy may be absorbed, may be released out. That's mean given out. Is towards of this side, heat or light energy. Heat or light energy is may be absorbed or released. Is here compulsory what I am telling, may be absorbed, otherwise released. Here may or may not be absorbed or released towards of the physical changes. Towards of the physical changes. Next one, most important, no new product. No new product. New product will not be formed towards of the physical changes. But here compulsory new product will be formed. New product will form. Is towards of the physical changes, no new product. Let us see. Ice turns into water, but no new product. Water turns into water vapor, no new product. Water vapor turns into water, no new product. Apply the some force on the sponge duster. its size will be changed, shape will be changed, but no new product. No new products. Yes, towards of the chemical changes, milk turns into the curd, new products are formed. As crackers are burned, new product is formed. As calcium oxide reacting with carbon dioxide, calcium oxide is reacting with carbon dioxide and formed calcium carbonate. As it is also one of the new product. New product is formed towards of the chemical changes. Towards of the chemical changes. Yes, here these physical changes are reversible reaction. Reversible reaction. Reversible reactions. Yes, it will be come back, react into product again into reactants. That's why we have to call these reactions are reversible reactions. Here some reactions are reversible, some reactions are reversible and some reactions are irreversible. Some reactions are reversible, some reactions are irreversible towards of the chemical changes. These always reversible reaction, these always some reactions are reversible, some reactions are irreversible reaction. That we have to try to keep in the mind. Yes, example for the chemical changes, ice turns into water. I told ice to water, water to water vapor, water to water vapor. Is crush the can, plastic can, crush the plastic can, crush the plastic can. Is these are the best example for the physical changes. Example for the chemical changes, as I told you people, now only carbon with oxygen, carbon dioxide. Yes, here calcium oxide with carbon dioxide form calcium carbonate. Yes, these are the chemical changes. Example for the chemical changes. Otherwise milk turns into curd, as boiled egg. These all are the example for the chemical changes. We have to try to keep in the mind most important points are available here in between the differences of the physical changes and chemical changes.